Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can install PyCharm. PyCharm is basically integrated development environment. This is a IDE where we will be doing some development of the Python. So let's see how we can install Python. Here installation is quite simple. Just go to the Google and type PyCharm. Okay, so PyCharm download. So it will show me the official website of PyCharm, jetpens.com, PyCharm. Okay, so we will be downloading. Okay, so we will be downloading community because it is free and open source. Now PyCharm has been successfully downloaded on my machine. So just click over it. Great. So there are different method to install PyCharm. So on Linux it is different and on Windows it is different. So since I am on Windows, so I'm following the procedure to install it on Windows. So click on next. Okay, so I will say yes. I 64-bit launcher. Okay, add launcher directory to file. Okay, okay. So I clicked on all these things. Okay, friends. Okay, showing me some error. Let's see what happens. Okay, it is extracting all the packages. As you can see, it has been successfully downloaded and installed on my computer. So it is asking for reboot option. So I will select I want to manually reboot it later. So that's the done. So it is finally installed. So it is desktop icon is over here. Okay, now it is opening. Okay, do not import settings. Okay, so I confirm, I accept the license. Okay, don't send. So it's showing me all these feature settings. Okay, now create new project. Okay, so it's showing me the location where I need to create. So finally I created it. Okay, next. And fine, close it. So it is installing setup tools, pip, wheels, all these things which are required for the installation of the packages or third-party libraries. Great. And finally it is. So here you can access the Python console. Here you can access the terminal, and here you can see your to do. Great. So let's say if I execute pip install pilot. Okay, so it is installing the pilot from, so pip stands for Python installation package manager. So it is a utility. By the help of this you can install the packages of the Python. So this is basically a pip. So with the help of the pip, here I am using, oh sorry, I'm installing Pylint. Great. So it is installing all the required packages. So as you can see, Pylint is installed over here. Yeah, so Pylint is installed, pip is installed, and my ID of JetBrains is also installed on my local system. So I will be using PyCharm for the development of the Python projects. So I hope this is enough for the installation of the PyCharm. If you have any question, please comment below. Thanks for watching my video, please like it and subscribe it, because every video, because creations of the every video takes much effort from my side. Okay, great. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice